Monday, 4th January 2021. Still trying for explanation in speech English about contact for progress in its statement by 6661 for discounting about execution case and suspect domicile. Contact need from 6661 for discounting on this normal calendar, still New Year, again 2021, calendar Monday, 4th January 2021. 666 on staffing, really non-accept for the progress execution escaping suspect from their status or about the case, because also about money for the suspect is made by people. Contact about sabotage or the job of 6661 for the staff review. 6661 for the staff review. One made a statement for not accepted, but the situation, money for the suspect by sabotage or the job of 6661 for the staff review on the moment situation case progress until this New Year 2021. 6661 for the staff review on say suspect domicile our indication for conspiracy from Asia about also country Indonesia local also for domicile town Medan. About money as first orientation of them being camouflaged by the activity supernatural since first beginning 2008 unity by 666 for the staff unity for the case. 666 for the staff unity or contact international lady about their orientation already become different until this moment in year 2021 being camouflaged for their status as suspect actually have a sabotage or the job of 666 on the staff by them. Context says actually the status is suspect on this moment ordinary. About job of 666 on the staff being sabotaged by them and not clear for the status as suspect actually for the situation investigation. About supernatural case suspect human command investigation. Contacted by this normal recording about their domicile residents also from Asia into also countries there, and basically also about domicile of 666 on staff about status victim and non-money for 666 on staff by country of Indonesia and people local there. 666 on staff on sale on status victim and Lake Road for local or by suspect from country Indonesia. It also about sabotage on the job of 6661 for Scout Union is need to be included for the investigation about Scout suspect among social on Indonesia country. 6661 for Scout Union definitely non-expected for their service on money or about sabotage ordinary job of 6661 for Scout Union by them. There is moment recording from friends. Think also about their identity among local social on country Indonesia. When they say they own ordinary job similar with 6661 for the Scout Union on this day, 2020-2021. Different since first beginning, non-job as ordinary job of 6661 for the Scout Union. About sabotase usaha kapal atas nama korban utama, nama usahawan Irwan Cornell. For his moment execution and identity starts ordinary job of 6661 for the Scout Union. Actually been discredited by people since first beginning 2008, but on this moment year 2020-2021 already become different by situation, sabotage, by suspect. Name of Irwan Cornell seems non-include about discrediting ordinary job as similar on the first beginning, years 2008. 6661 for the Scout Union or name Irwan Cornell still insists on money for the situation case. So Penatuan, we suspect already definitive human among social accounts. It also about ordinary job of 6661 for the Scout Union. Context say their status as suspect very random, but on occasion one connection each other since first beginning 2008. Actually, they're from Asia. It also about country domicile of 6661 for the Scout Union. Context say on the moment 2020-2021. They are included in one group ordinary job, usaha berbentelan, usaha tambal ban. On trying to sabotage for money to them, but actually they are start suspect on this moment case supernatural blaming. Suspect human actually to them. 6661 for Scout Union already become victim of their sabotage activities around social. Think also about their conspiracy continue to future. Communication for money. When they say, think also about their group name industry character. Actually, contact say they include of national country Indonesia political group and already become one group another usaha tambal ban, usaha perbentelan on this moment years. 666 for the Scout Union surely is not accepted for the situation, and saying our invitation being a fake check, being a sabotage for the situation case for money actually. 6661 for staff surely is not accepted for the condition earn money for sabotage usaha tambal ban yang berbengkelan atas nama usahawan korban nama Iwan Cornell. Context says on indication one direction networking international named to country Indonesia or politik Indonesia parties and also their group since first beginning ethnic local and also about usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan as their camouflage status identity basically for this moment situation. They are suspect of activity human committing those conflict by claiming internet 6661 scouting and action. 6661 scouting definitively insists want money for the status as pioneer of case and also status victim and the growth of the case also. In course of what sabotage of ordinary job 6661 for the scouting usaha tambal ban yang berbengkelan on this moment millennium. (6661 for scouting trying to contact international millennium for the execution and report about the situation, phenomena supernatural happening among countries. Suspect actually already recognized that trying to escape for the situation with another or different status identity. Usaha perbengkelan, usaha tambal ban yang marak pada tahun-tahun sekarang ini. About their status also as one direction group actually include the politik national country Indonesia for the parties each other and also about their friendship actually already become conflict non-clear since first beginning 2008 until this year 2021. There's the progress and experience contact boy telecommunication happening. Actually their own status another non-similar is the situation investigation people on this moment suspect activity human commanding those include actually 6661 for the staff meeting one conference about that and say non-accepted for the situation, non-clear execution and also about the status or will become different on this moment New Year. 2020, 2021, because also about money, the 6661 for the scouting, money for name Iwan Cornell, because basic status as pioneer and also status victim, definitive, and also status the case of them, definitive also, and also about status being sabotage for the ordinary job of 6661 for the scouting. Usaha perbengkelan dan usaha tambal ban yang marah pada tahun-tahun sekarang ini. 666 Star Premi want to say thank you very much International Blaming for the progress. Supernatural phenomenon already being investigated and experienced by people on this millennium country. 666 Star Premi can be found on internet global social media, such as also Google and also Pinterest, through also Facebook and video to YouTube and another link website. They also about the new commerce social media very popular and succeed on this modern millennium. Digo 666 Star Premi Ellen Palmer contact are happening, continue conversations since just before 666 Star Premi until this moment, year 2020, 2021, continue by appointment 666, the one for the Star Premi. Ellen Palmer is now on the career status exists except national country, except money logo, numbering code vivo among human countries to feature. Appointment ambassador, national Ethereum Dynasty, includes about internet global to alien farming. Contact email already happening from United States of America and also Europe and also Arab Israel. Alien friendship union, global and international millennium. Thank you very much people and see you again on my next internet. 666 Star Premi truly want money, basic about pioneer case and also status victim of case and also status get goal of case and also status being sabotaged for the ordinary job by suspect of the case on this millennium. Claim female commanding was free. Local domicile country Indonesia, and also Asia and country from Asia. You get on my next internet.